friends, good afternoon. I am again here, and today is my new topic about the public service in India. In India classify the public service in three ways. First is the All India service, second is central service, and third is the state service. If we talk about the All India survey, they are consisted in three ways. Indian Administrative Service, popularly known as IAS officer, and Indian Police Service, and the third is Indian Forest Service. Before the independent, before 1947, our India, uh, there were consist only two type of service, uh, Indian Civil Service and Indian Police. So after 1947, the Indian Civil Service was replaced by Indian Administrative Service, and Indian Police was replaced by Indian Police Service, and the third service, All India Service, was consisted uh, by the Parliament 1967. This is known as Indian Forest Service. If you talk about the requirement and allotment, uh, it is decided by the central government and the state government. So all the service condition and appointment, this all are the decided by the central government. So again, if you talk about the uh, work condition of the Indian Administrative Service and Indian Civil Service, Indian Police Service and Indian Forest Service, all the work under the state and central government, but all the disciplinary action taken by the central government, because the central government the vast power as compared to a state government. If you talk about the if we talk about the central service, before the 1947, this service are classified into class A, class 1, class 2nd, class 3rd, class 4th. But after 1947, 1974, it was replaced in the group A, group B, group C, group D. But there are 32, I think 62 group A service consist in India. So this is the all about the India central service. If you talk about the state service, this all servicemen work under the state government, but all the person work, all the state service person work lower level of the lower level of the IAS officer rank and the IPS officer under the work under the IAS and IPS officer, because the All India service is a high level servicing, but a state level service is also we understand, because a state are lower level than central level, so that is the reason. So in our I will discuss about the some provision about the constitution give the service condition for the All India Service, Central Service and State Service. We will cover this topic next video. So thank you for watching.